Hi friends. So we have been doing a little series on getting started in Google Tag Manager. Just some short videos, how-to videos. If you have seen them, great. If you're just catching on in the middle, then if today's topic is what you're looking for, then you should be good with that too. So the first video was how to create your account. That's all we did. And then in the second video, it was setting permissions for members of your team. So today, well, yesterday when I finished and I gave you the preview of today, I said we were going to do triggers, but I think that's a little bit premature. I've realized in thinking about it since then that we, first thing, we have to connect this container ID to the web pages that you want to be tracking. Otherwise, the tags don't work very well if they don't know what pages you're talking about. So we're going to do that and give you a little, just overview of the site. A little short overview. Again, we're trying to keep things quite basic here. So this is the screen you come to as soon as you sign into Google Tag Manager. And you select the account that you want to work in. Go into mine. And now when you first see the screen, there's a lot going on. It can seem a bit intimidating. But for now, what you need to be aware of is right here, new tag. This is the whole point of Google Tag Manager. This is where you tell it how you're going to label certain events that happen when you have visitors on your page or pages. And the triggers, this is what I was talking about. I guess that'll get pushed off to tomorrow probably. The triggers are what specific event happens that tells you to label or to place that tag. Container not published. This is important. No matter what changes you put in, no matter what tags you create, triggers you create, if you do not publish, it won't matter. It won't take effect. So you can do all of the troubleshooting and creating and changing that you want, and it'll never affect what the outside world sees until you hit publish. The flip side of that is if you forget to hit publish, then all that work is for nothing. You're not tracking a thing. Down here will show if you have made any changes since your last publish, then all of that will show down here. And this also, a quick way to know whether or not you have published since your last edit is this block. Because if all of these are 0, then you know you're good. Mine's good because I haven't done anything in this account I'm showing you. You get a brand new clean slate because I want it to look like yours. But if you have been working and haven't published, then these numbers will start to climb up as you make changes. So we said that today we were going to connect it to our website. So it gives you very clear directions here, but some people are visual, just to kind of show you as you go through it. If you have ClickFunnels, you're in luck. That's what I use, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. If you don't, then you just can do a quick Google for install Google Tag Manager and your website builder. And who knows, maybe by the time you're looking, I will have added other videos showing other ones. But here we are. So we're going to copy the head code, and then we're going to switch on over to ClickFunnels. I have already gone into the funnel where I want to set it up. You go to Settings. Seems like I might have done this before. You may not get a clean slate. Oh, you do. Yay. Okay, so ClickFunnels is easy because it says head tracking code, and that's where you put the head in Google Tag Manager, so you know you got the whole thing, okay? Before you're finished, we got to go over and get the body tracking code as well. Hit copy, go back over to ClickFunnels, hit paste. And now, just like in Google Tag Manager, always make sure you publish. In ClickFunnels, they want to make it difficult to remember and put it way down here off the screen, but you got to save and update your settings, which might be why I remember, I thought I remembered putting it on here before and then it was a clean slate. Maybe I didn't save. But anyway, it's saved now. And so now when I go back into Google Tag Manager and I start to create tags and triggers, then it'll all be relevant to the pages that are in that specific funnel. Okay? I hope this has been helpful. Tomorrow we will talk about triggers as we were supposed to do today. And if you have any comments or questions about what we've done so far, make sure you ask me in the comments, or you can make a special request for a topic if you'd like. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.